And good morning, early birds. We're about to catch these worms. Hopping on today, just wanted to get a brief message. Please don't judge my garage. It's messy, I know. I'm moving stuff around, sorry. Today, real quick motivation. If you're like me, I've started and stopped a billion times, still trying to figure out how to be consistent. Mark, what do you have to do to be consistent? Blocking the light now. And I haven't mastered it, but a couple things I think are important. Number one, take it day by day. Day by day. You have goals, you have dreams, you have things you want to accomplish. Sometimes I'm looking a year out versus what am I doing today? What am I going to do tomorrow? Take it day by day, and if you mess up today, don't beat yourself up. Don't go on an eating binge, eating all the calories till you fall out. Just eat that piece of cake or that whole pizza, whatever you did, and the next thing you do, chill and forgive yourself. So number one, take it day by day. Number two, set realistic goals daily. You know, we just got a treadmill. I would love to go 45, 50 minutes a day. Instead, hop on. I started off doing 25 minutes, then 35, and then started doing variations. Walk, sprint, walk, sprint. You know, realistic expectations, but do it. Okay? And I think that's it. And forgive yourself. Is always at the top. Whatever you messed up, whatever you didn't do, forgive yourself. All right, that's my motivation for this morning. Woo! Early birds, let's go get these worms. Hey, please leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000 by the end of the year. And I think I'm at number 2. So get a chance, do that.